Hey guys, so I'm here today to make Toll House cookies. It's not what I set out to do this morning for you. I actually was going to be making a puff pastry dessert, and I guess I left my puff pastry in the fridge a little long and it got bad. So I had the oven on and I figured, okay, let's make some Toll House cookies. So I have the Nestle's Toll House chocolate morsels. All right, and it says Toll House, all right, Nestle's. So I go in the back and then I'm looking for my Toll House recipe. It doesn't have it. It is gone. I've looked all over here. It doesn't have the Toll House recipe. What it has is milk chocolate oatmeal cookies. That's not what I'm looking for. All right, so I know that I'm the kind of person who saves my original recipes, so I have an actual Toll House recipe bag that I saved in the event I ever lost the recipe. So I found the recipe on the back here. Thank God. Can you see this? All right, so the recipe, I've already portioned out what I'm going to be using. So the recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour, which I've put in this container. It has 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It has 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I have on the side 2 sticks of butter. Right here. It's room temperature. And then I have in here, as you can see, I have 3/4 of white sugar, granulated sugar, and I have 3/4 of brown sugar, compacted. And in here, I have my white vanilla, which is Dominican. You can find it in Spanish food market or probably the Spanish section of your grocery store with any luck. It's just white vanilla, or you could use your regular vanilla. And then I have here 2 large eggs, and then I have, of course, my bag of Nestle's. I use milk chocolate, not semi-sweet. And I think I might add in half of the batch half a cup of nuts, walnuts. All right, so let's get started. So the way this works is I have here the sugars. To that, I'm going to add 2 eggs. And crack the other egg. Now we're going to cream this together. I would use my KitchenAid, but then I would have to go and make a bigger mess. I'm trying to get this done. So I had my oven preheating for the other dessert. So I'm like, what the heck? It got ruined. So what I decided to do was throw my quiche in there. My quiche Lorraine. So I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of this vanilla. This vanilla I find is stronger than regular vanilla. And it doesn't come in this bottle. I just put it here because I love the cap. And like I was saying, I turned the oven on to make the other recipe. And lo and behold, it had gone bad on me. I didn't know you had to freeze it. Pepperidge Farm puff pastry, but I'll make that recipe again as soon as I get more of the pastry. All right, so this is got to be creamed together. So it's that time of the year where you want to have your oven on and be baking in your house and having it smell really nice and have something homemade to snack on. All right, these are combined nicely, as you could see. Now, since I just dumped everything in here, I'm just going to put it through my sifter and get that going. Alrighty. It's always good to sift your things together. Let's see if we get this going quick. I don't want to sit here wasting your time, so I'm just going to get these rocking and rolling. Probably should have had a bigger sifter, but it's okay. Let me see if this will help it go faster. Nope. My hands aren't so strong at this time. I was trying to open up this flour. It took me forever to open the top. It was a brand new package. And I'm like, what in the world is happening? Oops, I forgot to throw in my butter. It's okay. The butter was supposed to go in with the sugar. All right, I'm gonna dump that in there. I don't have the energy. I went through a few months of chemotherapy and I'm still recuperating from the chemo. Oh well, guys, this was supposed to go in with the sugar and the eggs, but it's so soft that it'll be just fine. You'll follow your instructions a little bit better. I've had this out since yesterday. Alrighty, so let's get this mixed. You could do this, like I said, in your mixer. You cream your sugar, your butter, your eggs, your vanilla in the mixer, stand mixer, hand mixer. But I'm being lazy. I don't want to have to reset all my gizmos and gadgets to move you over to another station to start recording. So this is coming along. It's a good thing my butter was nice and soft. I'm hoping I'll get my energy soon. Or rather my strength in my hands, because I find that one of the side effects for myself is I'm feeling arthritic, and I don't like that. Let me scoop this over here. Okay guys, myself, I'm the kind of person who loves to nibble on my raw dough. Are you one of those people? Let me know in your comments. And let me know what you think about a traditional Toll House cookie, chocolate chip cookie. And if you have any good memories of coming home from school and smelling Toll House cookies cooking in your house from someone at home who loves you. All right, this is mixed for right now. I'm gonna open up my package of my chocolate morsels. One for the chef. I'm sure you do the same. I'm doing my best here to get all this mixed in here. Today is December. Let's see, today is December 16th. And our weather is supposed to be near 60 degrees by the end of the day. And that's unusual because it's definitely not normal weather. Look at this. It's going to go up to nearly 60 here. So we're having an unseasonably warm December so far, which is fine with me. Alright guys, this is mixed. So what I'm going to do is I have here my cookie sheet with my Silpat on it. And then I have my cookie scooper right here. I don't like humongous cookies. I like little cookies. This says here that this is a #2 cookie scooper. Okay, I got this from Restaurant Store. Let me clean this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into a preheated 350 degree oven. And then I will continue to make them, and I'll show you at the end when I am done. So what I like to do is, let me see if I move these things back. There we go. So just take a cookie scooper like this and just throw little dollops on there. You know, I like the end cookies, the last ones that I make, because it has less chips in it. And I get more of the cookie dough and not so much the chunky chocolates in it. I know I sound weird, but this is as quick as it is. There we go. Alright guys, I'm going to finish doing this, filling up my tray, and I will come back when it's done. Guys, these just came out of the oven. Look at how tall and beautiful they are. I don't dare try and actually touch it because I literally just took it out of the oven. And the other, I have another tray inside the oven, which is all plain, but this little portion here, I did add some chopped walnuts to it because I like my walnuts in mine. And let's see how, look at, I'm telling you, these are gorgeous. Look at how tall. They're beautiful. These bake in the oven 350 for 12 minutes each. And I can't wait. You see this one that looks like a little plain? These are the ones that I like, because I like the dough a lot. So I will be, oh, there's my timer. Let me check the oven. Yep, I'll be getting these out, finish plating these. And guys, I hope you like this recipe. And I hope it's brought back memories to you, and you try making them at home. Like I said, if you have any memories of your childhood coming home and getting a nice tall glass of ice cold milk and having your cookies, and then having your friends over, like I used to do with my children, I always loved to bake for them when they came home from school, so they came home and smelled that yummy cookies and the excitement of getting something nice to snack on after a long, hard day at school. That's what memories are made of, for or about. So, yeah, it's calling me. Here you have it. I will continue to bake the rest of these cookies, as you can see here. Now, these are mine. I turn that off. All right, guys, so I will continue to fill this. I will go get my other cookies in the oven. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Share your memories. And share the recipe with your loved ones. And if you can, share the video. And remember, please give it a thumbs up. And everybody have a blessed holiday, be it Christmas or whatever you celebrate. I'll be celebrating my Christmas because it's my birthday as well. Guys, thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.